Hello guys, back here with another video today. Today, I'm outside of my house. And today, I'm going up back here to look at this two-stroke engine right here. It's broken. Let's try. See, probably has no gas in it. Check. Nope, she's empty. So, guys, I'm gonna try fixing her. Hey, Millie? She's broken. This doesn't run all the way. So, guys, I'm gonna try opening her up. To here, here. Maybe I could fix her up, maybe I can't. This is the old lawnmower I had. And doesn't work. So yeah, I might just leave it there. And in here is my other lawnmower, which I will get back to in a sec.